167 is the natural number following 166 and preceding 168 in mathematics. 167 is a Chen prime, a Gaussian prime, a safe prime, and an Eisenstein prime with no imaginary part and a real part of the form. 167 is the only prime which can't be expressed as a sum of 7 or less cubes. 167 is a full reptend prime in base 10, since the decimal expansion of 167th repeats the following 166 digits: 0.0059880233954610778443117920359281507425994 or 1196047904189646786126354569964071896407185425149700. 167 is a highly cototient number, as it is the smallest number k with exactly 15 solutions to the equation x phi equals k. It is also a strictly non-palindromic number. 167 is the smallest multi-digit prime such that the product of digits is equal to the number of digits times the sum of the digits. 1 times 6 times 7 equals 3 times in astronomy. 167 Urda is a main belt asteroid. 167P Cineos is a periodic comet in our solar system. IC 167 is interacting galaxies. In the military, Marine Light Attack Helicopter Squadron 167 is a United States Marine Corps helicopter squadron. Martin Model 167 was a U.S.-designed light bomber during World War II. USCGC Acushnet was a U.S. Navy diver-class rescue and salvage ship during World War II. Sakri was a U.S. Navy Cannon-class destroyer escort during World War II. Caledonia was a U.S. Navy Alamosa-class cargo ship during World War II. Cowell was a U.S. Navy Wicks-class destroyer during World War I. Freestone was a U.S. Navy Haskell-class attack transport during World War II. Leyden was a transport ship during World War II. Narwhale was a U.S. Navy Narwhale-class submarine during World War II. In sports, Martina Navratilova has 167 tennis titles, an all-time record for men or women. In transportation, London Buses Route 167, SMRT bus service 167 in Singapore. 167th Street is an elevated local station in the Bronx on the IRT Jerome Avenue line, 4 trains, of the New York City subway. 167th Street is an underground local station in the Bronx on the IND Concourse line, BD trains, of the New York City subway. List of highways numbered 167. In other fields, 167 is also the year AD 167 or 167 BC. The atomic number of an element temporarily called an hexapsium. The universal disk format of a file system for optical media storage. C167 family is a 16-bit microcontroller architecture from Infineon. Pips are dots on the face of a die, denoting its value. The pip count at the start of a backgammon game is 167.